Right, we've got the Tigra BikeConsole Lite edition for iPhone 5 and 5S. Packaging's really nice, and one particularly cool little feature is this QR code here that leads to an installation video. Anyway, let's dive in and see what's in the package. Very useful for those of us that don't have one lying around. And we've got the rain guard here and the mount itself. As you can see, it's already sort of pretty much pre-installed, ready to go. All we need is the Allen key to unfasten this and get it on the bike. You can see here the quick release is pretty nice. Let me just clip that back in. There we go. This, I believe, is an additional guard so that someone can't sort of yank this off your bike while you're riding, and you sort of disengage that to actually remove the mount. Obviously the iPhone fits nicely inside there. There we go, which would also fit quite nicely in a pocket, so a really nice small size. And let's try and clip that back in. There we go, perfect. So that's it. Let's have a quick look at the rain guard here as well. Okay. And that goes on top. Yeah, this way around. Oh, no, sorry. This way around. There we go. Which is rather nice. Keeps your iPhone dry as well. Perfect. So that's it. There'll be a review video coming shortly.